This video will show you how to use the standard version for multi-platforms. So you can assign this standard presentation, which I'm looking at here, through a platform like Edpuzzle, Nearpod, Pear Deck, and you can use those questions within the presentation as a potential source of your own added interactivity. So for example, like we've got some different questions already embedded in here, and you can use those as interactivity within those particular platforms. Or what you could do is record yourself presenting this standard presentation all the way through like you would do it in class, and students could watch it on YouTube, or you could put the video up in your own LMS. So you just download the standard presentation from the dashboard and use it in your favorite interactive platform or a screen recording app. So this file can be kept as a PowerPoint file, or it can also be saved and uploaded to Google Drive with the Save as Slides option to convert it to Google Slides. Use that file format use the file format that works best for whatever platform you choose. After your students watch the presentation, they can complete the pages from the digital interactive notebooks, which can be found up here. So at the top of every 5E unit, you're going to see the complete version, all of the interactive notebooks for that particular topic. So, or that particular unit rather. So for the weather, you're going to have all of the different topics. So you'll have atmosphere, catastrophic events, convection currents. There's a couple ways you could do this. So you could provide them this entire file and they can fill it out as they're going through the different topics within the unit, or you could just pull out the pieces that you want. So if you're just only going to teach convection currents and catastrophic events this year, then maybe you just want to pull out those and send them that file. It's really up to you how you want to do this. So all of the files have been tested to convert cleanly to Google Slides. So if you're seeing any kind of like format changes, then you may not have saved it as slides within Google Slides, or you may have to use the import command instead of upload. And then lastly, you'll have your students send you screenshots of particular slides, or in Google Slides, they can send you links to particular slides, or you can actually have them share the Google Slides file directly with you so you can check their progress at any time. The whole goal with all of these different versions is we wanted to make it as flexible as possible for the current situation that you're in. I know many people are in remote learning environments. Some kind of have a blended hybrid learning. Some are in classrooms. Some can't have students work directly with each other. So we provided you many different choices to work what's best in your situation.